In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your shower head. Stay tuned. Here are the items that you're going to need to complete this project. A pair of slip joint pliers, some thread seal tape, and some paper towels. So for my project, what I want to do is change my original shower head to one of the newer fancy rain shower heads. It doesn't really matter what you install on yours, the installation is pretty much the same. Here I am just inspecting the product I purchased off Amazon. I can put the link in the comments below if you want to purchase this one. To remove the old shower head, use your pliers with some paper towel and just turn it counterclockwise. And once it starts moving, you can use your hand and turn it slowly. Once the shower head is off, you can clean it up and remove the remaining thread seal tape. And now you're going to apply the new seal tape. Wrap it around in a clockwise position. And once it's down, just put your finger and just kind of put some pressure over it to make sure it's sealed on tightly. Here I'm going to install the rubber washers. There should be one on each side. Make sure it's firmly in, just like this. And then we're going to slowly and carefully use your finger and just screw it on. So right now you just want to finger tight everything. Just want to make sure the position is correct. And once everything's correct, later on you will use the pliers to secure it. Now we're going to add thread seal tape at the top of the swing arm. So same thing, just wrap it around in a clockwise position. Now install the washer on the rain shower head. And then you can go ahead and screw the rain shower head onto the arm. Adjust the angle of your new rain shower head and just tighten with your hand. Once everything is in the correct position, you can go ahead and use a wrench with a paper towel so you don't scratch it, and tighten. And just like that, you have your shower head installed. So before we go ahead and actually take a shower, let's go ahead and test it to make sure there are no leaks. Alright, so far so good. You don't see any water leaking, and if you do, it's either that you probably may need more new thread seal tape, or you just might need to tighten it a little bit more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching.